Welcome to Gentec, the most innovative technology in the commercial market. Important note: installation of all products must adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines, as well as comply with PCA, ASA/NZS 3500 standards, and any other relevant regulatory provision. If you are unsure, refer to the installation instructions included in the QR code. Water quality. Flush your lines before installing any Gentec products, and if an inline strainer is supplied, must be installed to ensure product is free of debris. Please follow the steps to make your installation quick and simple. Carefully inspect the contents of the box to ensure that all components are included. Remove the back nut and washers. When installing the tap, insert the sensor cable from above and the flexi hose underneath. Feed the sensor cable and flexi hose through the washers and back nut. Attach the flexi hose and back nut to the tap body and tighten both. Then secure the fixing screws. Now we are ready to install the solenoid box to the tap. Place the solenoid within reach of the flexible hose outlet. Connect the flexible hose from the water supply to the solenoid box inlet, and please note, this flexi hose is not provided. Fasten the solenoid box to the wall with the screws provided. Connect sensor cable and power to the solenoid box. Battery-operated option is also available, and this would normally fit inside the solenoid box. Replace the solenoid cover, turn on the power first, then turn on water supply. Activate to verify operation. Tighten all 4 screws to secure the cover. Installation is now complete. If you are still experiencing problem, ensure to check out the troubleshooting provided in the user manual. If you are unsure and need assistance, then contact Gentec on +612 9 3194 422 or email at info@gentecaustralia.com.au.